John Pitts, Automobilia 2019, and this is a special interview. This is one I've wanted to do for a while. So I'm here with our good friend Drew. Drew and Classic Auto Insurance have been a sponsor for over 5 years of Car-Mart Automobilia, helping us make it happen. And then you've also been a volunteer for the last couple of years, and it really brought a lot. And actually, Drew helped lead our fuel-less efforts last night, and a fantastic night, by the way.
Appreciate it. Happy to be here, and it's been a fun ride, and thanks for having us.
Well, you've been a great sponsor, and we couldn't make it happen without him. And again, if you need car insurance for your Classic Auto, look at Classic Auto Insurance. But I really want to talk to you about this, because I know this has probably been inspired by you being at the show, seeing different things, and this is your own Classic Auto Insurance C10 custom build. So tell us about it.
So it's a 65 C10 that we bought about 3.5 years ago. And the kind of goal was to do a marketing project around it with our insurance company and our adjusters and our agents who are manning the booth here today. And really it was just about trying to find out, right, what do everyone here that's showing a car, what do they go through, right, when they're rebuilding their own or doing whatever. And it's been a labor of love for sure. It's been very well received, but we learned so much in the process, and started to really communicate really well with our adjusters. And so from a sales side and from the adjusting side, we can give our client even better service, understanding what goes into this. The build, a 65 C10, it's a short bed, but we wanted to keep it to company colors. It's got a really great stance on it. 22s, 22 by 11 in the back, 22 by 9 in the front. We've got an aluminum wood bed, which everybody just loves. It's awesome. And a small block 350, but we've kind of dressed it up. The plan is it's going to be a driver, right? We are going to take it to shows. So if you live in Indy, live in the Midwest, you're probably going to see it.
Well, it is absolutely gorgeous. Love the execution. Love that it's company colors. You're within branding. That was good. That was good. But again, just really, I love the fact that it's a journey that taught you about what your clients go through and helps you be a better insurer to them. So thanks for supporting us. Another great day at Car-Mart Automobilia.
And thanks to this guy for all the interviews he does.
We may turn the table someday. We'll see what happens.
Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.